Look, man, straight drop brother didn't just tell. I don't know, everybody like, straight drop brother, he told on straight drop. Yeah, he told on straight drop. He told on everybody, and this is the craziest part to me. On top of him telling on everybody, they got straight drop phone. He gave them straight drop phone. Oh man, this then on top of all that, cause I don't want to play the whole 30 minutes. So I'm gonna try to just give y'all, you know what I'm saying, some key parts here and there. But this man went in this court, like he pointed straight dropping Cornelius and them out on the surveillance videos, they say. Like, yeah, it was them, right? Yeah, that's my brother right there. Like, bro, the case over with. Like, bro, like, so this is the thing. He also told on somebody, I don't know who Unc is, somebody named Unc, and somebody that they kept referring to as person C. So it's other people that he told on in here. You don't even know their names because they was either calling them by letters or a nickname, which is crazy in court. But I guess because the case still going on and they knew this was being recorded or whatever, they ain't want to put it out there. But whoever Unc and whoever was person C is, y'all going to jail too. He told on all y'all, bruh. He told everything. He didn't leave nothing out. Text messages about the video, any and everything you could think of, that man told. So now I'm gonna let y'all hear a little bit, then we gonna skip because we ain't gonna watch the whole 30 minutes. I can't watch the whole 30 minutes, but y'all get time, y'all go watch it, man. That man told everything, bro. He told it all. So let me go on here and let y'all hear a little bit of this.
Those acts, those are 3 acts of an accessory after the fact that did aid in the cover-up and this conspiracy. For those reasons, now that we understand those to be the facts of his involvement, now that he's given a truthful statement with regard to these things, he has also identified a picture of his brother Justin Johnson wearing the outfit of one of the shooters of Dolph just directly before the homicide. Now that he's been 100% cooperative and truthful, we're asking Your Honor to accept the guilty plea and recommendation in the case.
Seal of Sheldon Thomas, put your left hand on the Bible and raise your right hand to be sworn, sir.
Bruh, did y'all hear that? He told, listen. If you ever want to see the streets, go ahead, take that plea. Like, y'all might as well just all take pleas, bruh. The man tricked on, bruh, listen. Even the names that they did say in here, he has to come to court and testify. He already told on all y'all, Cornelius, about the money, told on his brother straight drop, told on who they was supposed to get the money from, told he was talking to some other person named C. So, bruh, that's like about 2-3 more people that for some reason they ain't locked up, they ain't got shit, don't know why, but them people should be going to jail too because they obviously played a major role in the killing of Dolph. If y'all got the cell phone, and on top of having a cell phone, y'all got his brother basically it meant the whole thing. And it's crazy because he wasn't even there. He ain't even pulled no trigger. He ain't do none of that. Drop. That's your half brother. He ain't got the same blood as you. He ain't got no loyalty to you. What you thought he was gonna be loyal straight drop? This remind me of New Jack City. Whole operation failed because of G Money. You see what I'm saying? All it takes is one person to make the whole operation crumble. He just crumbled it. I don't see with no lawyer they got or nobody they got. I don't see with none they lawyers or none of that can't say nothing going against nothing that this man done said. I don't see it, bro. Like how? Well, like what you gonna do? What you gonna say? But I'm gonna let y'all hear some more of this, man. Like it's crazy. It's crazy.
These
Jermarcus
Johnson, what school did you go to, sir? I-23000. On that bottom right-hand corner where it reads dependent, that you sign that, sir?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Johnson, all of your rights are above the trial. And had this case been tried, you would have a right to confront and cross-examine those witnesses against you. State would have to bring those folks in court. You can look at it in person. They would sit right there and on that chair on the witness stand where you're seated. Your lawyer, Mr. Corman, the Court of Criminal Appeals would grant you a new trial. You waive your right to remain silent when you enter this guilty plea. So listen to the questions that Mr. Hagerman asked of you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Make sure you answer those questions truthfully. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
If Mr. Hagerman and Ms. Mond said, Judge Carl, if we don't believe Mr. Jermarcus Johnson is being truthful, they're going to ask the court to vacate this guilty plea, will strike this guilty plea, and your case will go back to the same status as was before this information was filed. You understand that, sir?
Yes, sir.
Any questions, sir?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Hagerman, you may proceed, sir.
Mr. Justin, we have talked before, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
And when we talked, you told me about meeting with your half-brother, Justin. He's your half-brother, is that right?
Yes, sir.
You told me about meeting with your half-brother, Justin, about a week or so after the murder of Adolph Thornton Jr., is that right?
Yes, sir.
You told me at that time that he gave you a car, is that right?
Yes, sir.
You told me at that time he also gave you his cellular telephone, is that correct?
Yo, this man say drop when it took him his car and his cell phone, bro. A week later. Bro, how's a whole week later and you ain't deleted none of the messages out of your cell phone that's talking about the whole crime? Why would y'all even be texting and talking about the crime? This was amateur, bro. Like, this was an amateur. Ain't no way. We didn't even know Cornelius had a phone last time we seen Cornelius. He had a mop. But yeah, man. So they got everything, bro. This is an open and shut case. They got it all, bro. They got everything. And all he basically did is confirm it and gave them they got straight drop car. They got his phone. They know who paid the money. They know who he was supposed to get the money from. They know where the money came from. Oh man, it's over with. But I'm gonna let y'all hear some more.
You told me that, or did you tell me that afterwards you used that cellular telephone at his request?
Yes, sir.
Did you describe to me a scenario in which you would place one phone up to another while Justin was on another phone for the benefit of his parole or probation officer?
He was called to get somebody's number, and I would put my phone down on the bed, and I would put somebody else's phone right there and let them talk to me.
And you told me about the times that you did that. Is that correct? And you also described times not just with the probation or parole officer, but also with an individual known to you as C.
Mm-hmm.
Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
And you now know that individual to be Cornelius Smith. Is that
Yes,
right?
sir.
And you described to me, and you turned this phone over, and in it were text messages.
Yo, so y'all heard that, right? So that individual was Cornelius Smith. See what I'm saying? Oh, the man. This dude done told on everybody, man. It's over with. It's an open and shut case. It's over with.
Messages with this individual C. Is that correct?
Yes,
some of these text messages, some of what you witnessed, was conversation with regard to money that Justin would be getting to see. Is that correct?
He asked for money, yes, sir.
Asked for money.
Yes, sir.
Is that correct?
Yeah. He was asking him money from somebody else.
Okay, and that somebody else was referred to as Unc. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this would be money that C asked for from Justin that Justin was going to get from Unc.
Okay, so did y'all hear that? So money was asked from C, and the money that was asked from C, whoever that is, was supposed to been got from the person named Unc, whoever that is. See what I'm saying? But they know, but they not using their real name. Oh man. And he like, yup, that what happened. Yeah, I did it. Yeah, all of them. Yeah, it was all of them. Yeah, they did it. This, hey, Gunner see that 6ix9ine Gunner season in full effect, boy. Yeah, he did it. Yeah. Like, bro, he doing it with a straight face too. He don't care. Oh well, and I bet if this one on video, he'll be out talking about, man, I ain't say nothing. I ain't tell him nothing.
Is that correct? You described all that to me.
Yes, sir.
You've also looked at some photographs that included one of your half-brother in a particular outfit, and you identified Justin Johnson, your half-brother, in the photograph.
Yes, sir.
Do you understand that one day you may be called to testify in a trial in this matter?
Yes, sir.
Will you tell the truth that time?
Yes, sir.
Have you told the truth with me?
Yes, sir.
No further questions, Judge.
Ms. Hagerman, Mr. Cormier, you have any questions of Jermarcus Johnson?
No question. Thank you, Judge.
Mr. Marcus Johnson, the felonies that you pled guilty to, accessory after the fact is a Class E felony. It carries anywhere technically from 1 day to 6 years in prison. You understand that, sir?
Yes, sir.
You have agreed under what's called a hybrid guilty plea, State versus Mailer and Hicks, State versus Hicks, in which you're agreeing to plead outside of your range. You're not a range 2 offender. You understand that? In order to be a range 2 offender, you have to have 2 prior felony convictions. You don't have any felony convictions. You understand that? You can agree to plead outside of your range as long as 6 years in in your possession, in your hands, in your pockets, on a house or car or any other place, if you possess any firearms, if you have one single or one another, making that an effective sentence of minimum of 6 years to as much as 12 trial services day reporting, without it's a factual basis. There is a legally sufficient reason for this guilty plea, which has been entered freely and voluntarily.
All right, man. So look, at this point, Straight Drop Brother go say they tricked him. He got he gotta say they tricked him, bruh. Y'all know that's the new thing. I ain't do nothing. They tricked me. He gotta say that. But anyway, man, y'all get in the comments. Y'all let me know what y'all think. Case solved. Case closed. It's over with. He tricked on everybody. They got in, but only people I don't know is like the 3 or 4 people that they not using their real names. Other than that, it's over with for Straight Drop. It's over with for Cornelius. Let me know what y'all think, man. It's your boy Buddha. I'm out.